What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Zayway, and I'm back here with another video. I come here with a scary video today. It's night. You know, some of my friends said, "Hey, play this, Evil Neighbor Ghost Escape," and I'm like, "Is it easy?" They said, "No, it's not easy." I'm like, "We'll see, bro." They said, "Don't start off normal mode because it's too hard." I'm like, "All right," voice cracks, but we about to get into it. It says start off easy. The kids are obsessed. I hate, bro. What an ad, bro. What an ad. Okay, good start off. Good start off. Parents? You mean parent? He doesn't came back with the milk yet. We're not gonna talk about it. I'm just playing with you. I'm just playing with you guys. Hey, so you gonna start me off on the bed? Oh, she having a seizure, bro. What was that? She said, "Okay, bro. Let's see. What can I do with this?" So that's just useless, bro. How you gonna give me something? Okay, bro. Nothing in here. Okay, okay, okay. Wait. Door is closed from the other side. Alright. Yo, can I was about to say. Okay, bro. Oh, easy. What is this? Yo, bro. Yo, they really had to make it hard to pick up a key? Jesus Christ. See. Okay. Yo, stop tripping, stop tripping, stop tripping, stop tripping, stop tripping. Yo, stop tripping, stop tripping. Yo, oh. These games, bro. Why she throw it back like that? Crip walk. Hey, she did a crip walk like that. Yo, bruh, you didn't even see me, bro. You gonna crip walk and everything, and then you just come with me with the. I thought she was good, bro. She was throwing it back, crip walking. You know, thought she was a little shawty in the back. It was like, come on now, little shawty in the back. Okay, bro. See, she crip walk. Hey, okay, bro. So she just down the hall, bro. Okay, so that just made another pathway for me. Alright. See, now this, bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. This game be on some bull, bro. Yo! Oh, God, bro. I can't play games, bro. We cool? We cool? We cool? Are we cool? We good? We good? Okay. Alright. Okay. Then get it. Something's got stuck in there, then get it, bro. You're making no sense. Oh, something's stuck in there. You're not gonna get it? Like, the freak? Something stuck in there. So that's the intro. So you saying okay, bro? Save your parents, and they're not in here, bro. Yo. You're not scary, bro. You're not scary, bro. Bro, I just peep. Now tell me how you ever gonna get scared of the game that when a jump scare comes, there's an ad. Oh man, I just lost my whole pants, bro. Bro. Yeah, I'm finding a new scary, bro. This is not scary, bro, for anything. Yo, she can come get the smoke every time, bro. Oh my god. Crab walk. Hey. Yeah. Then she throw it back. That's a G walk. What the heck? Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Let's see. What's that? I need something to get it out. Of course, bro. Kid, you too weak? You too weak to get it? I swear on God. Yo, I can't move. Yo, Juke, I'm out. Yo, how that fillet? Bro, you saying I can't? Yo, can I move? Uh, uh, uh. Oh, she's so crippled. Juke. Yo, get on my game. Crip walk. We can go around this table all night, babe. No, I'm playing, just playing. Hold up, come up. Madden 20. Crip walk. Hey, get out here, bro. What you doing now? Bro, I can do this all day, bro. Come here. Look at shit. What's a... You guys want to play Scrabble later? We can do that for the next video. Oh my god. No, it's fine. Yo. No, I'm just playing. Yo. You know, the more you know. If I die one more time, bro. If I die one more time, I think I'm done with this game, bro. This game kind of booty, bro. It's not even scary, bro. She come up to you and just like crip walks. Like I can juke her like in Madden 20, yo. It's like, is this supposed to be scary, yo? It's like, come on now. It's like, come on. Wait, is there something here? Of course not. If I die one more time, bro, this game's over. Uh, uh, Blowing her back up. I'm gonna hit her with this. Okay. They make these maneuvers so hard. What is this? Do I have to go to that fire pit thing? I'm thinking if I go back in here. Okay, so that's not it. I'll just drop that. I'll pick that up later. I don't know what that is, to be honest. What's in here, bro? Another hallway. Another scare. Of course you gotta be crip walking down the... Oh my god, bro. Can you close the... Yo. No, I didn't... Yo. Yeah, so like I said, bro, another game. I think I might do Granny, bro. People say Granny's way better, bro. I think it's just like this game, but it's like I think it's just like this game, bro. But it's just like better, bro. Cause I remember they said that used to be the stuff back then. But I mean, shoot, this game wasn't scary, bro. I need something scary, bro. I need those jump scares, bro, out of nowhere. You know, I need something scary, bro. I need something that goes like, and I go like, ah. I need those games to pee my pants, bro. Damn.